In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Grow a Garden on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Grow a Garden is a very popular experience currently, and you can play it on any platform, including PC, PlayStation, and of course, Xbox. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join and play the experience. First, I want to make it very clear that I am recording this video on my PC, but everything that I say here is going to work for Xbox. So all that you have to do is first search for the experience. So you can usually press Y on your controller to open the search function, and now you can look for Grow a Garden. You can also scroll down through the most popular experiences and it should also appear. So it is going to be Grow a Garden by The Garden Game. As you can see, it has almost 16 billion visits. So all that you have to do is join the experience. You won't be able to play using only your controller. So when you join, you might have to wait around for all the assets to load. So just wait for this to load, or if you see the option to skip, you can go ahead. And now you will be able to play. You can move around using the left joystick, you can move your camera with the right joystick, jump with A, and all of the controls will automatically be set up. If you want to select the items on your hotbar at the bottom of the screen, so let's say for example I want to select that shovel, all that I have to do is press R1 or the right bumper. So you can equip and de-equip items using the bumpers and the triggers, and you will be able to use these items and examine anything that you see in the world. So I can press X on my controller to interact with this board here. I can talk to NPCs by walking over to them and pressing X, so I can choose whichever option I want to reply with. Whenever you see this circle, make sure that you use the joysticks so you can interact with the NPCs and highlight the options on their dialogue, and you will be able to play Grow a Garden directly on your Xbox. All of your progress will be transferred over if you switch platforms. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Grow a Garden on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.